Master Manifestation. Secrets from Goddard and Cannon. Do you ever feel like you're stuck, unsure of what you truly want in life, or maybe you know what you want, but it feels just out of reach? In this video, I'll be showing you how to tap into your inner power to manifest your desires, using tried and tested techniques from leading influencers like Neville, Goddard and Dolores Cannon. Stick around because, by the end, you'll not only understand how manifestation works but also have practical tips you can start using today to create the life you truly desire. The power of manifestation. Before we dive in, let's clear something up. Manifestation isn't magic. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create the reality you want. People like Neville, Goddard, and Dolores Cannon teach us that our thoughts are far more powerful than we realize. When we focus our mind and energy on what we want, we can literally bring it into existence. Step 1. Clarity is key. Defining what you truly desire. The first step in manifesting is knowing exactly what you want. You need to get crystal clear. And I know, that sounds easier said than done. But here's a tip that comes from Neville Goddard. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Take a moment. Picture what you want. But don't just visualize it, feel it. How would it feel to already have that dream job? That perfect relationship? That sense of peace and fulfillment? Practical tip. Take 5 minutes every day to close your eyes and feel as if your desire has already been fulfilled. Don't just see it, step into it emotionally. Feel the gratitude, the joy, and the satisfaction. Step 2. Remove limiting beliefs. The Dolores Cannon method. The second step is removing blocks and limiting beliefs. According to Dolores Cannon, a key barrier to manifestation is that we carry limiting beliefs, sometimes from childhood or even past lives, that tell us we're not worthy, capable, or deserving of our desires. Cannon's technique of quantum healing hypnosis encourages us to ask ourselves deeper questions. What beliefs am I holding that could be blocking my desires? Do I believe I deserve what I'm trying to manifest? Practical tip. Try this simple exercise. Write down any doubts or negative thoughts that come up when you think about your goals. Then, next to each one, write a positive counter-belief. For example, if your belief is, "I'm not smart enough to succeed," replace it with, "I have everything I need to succeed." Step 3. Visualize consistently. The Neville Goddard technique. Now, let's go deeper into visualization, one of Neville Goddard's most powerful techniques. Goddard emphasizes the importance of persistent imagination. This isn't just a one-time exercise, it's about making your vision a part of your daily mental routine. Goddard calls this the state akin to sleep technique, where you imagine your desire just before you drift off to sleep, when your subconscious mind is most receptive. By repeating this consistently, you program your subconscious to work on bringing that desire into reality. Practical tip. Before going to bed, spend 3 to 5 minutes imagining a scene where your desire is already fulfilled. Visualize it vividly, involve all your senses, and most importantly, feel as if it's already true. Step 4. The power of language. Speak it into existence. Words are incredibly powerful, and both Goddard and Cannon emphasized this. The way we speak about ourselves and our desires sends signals to our subconscious mind. If you're constantly saying, "I want this, but," or "I don't think it's possible," you're reinforcing a lack mentality. Instead, start using affirmations or positive statements in the present tense, as if what you desire is already yours. Practical tip. Create a short affirmation that aligns with your desire. For example, "I am attracting financial abundance every day." Repeat it in the morning, throughout the day, and before bed. Your brain will start believing it, and once it believes, it begins to create it. Step 5. Let go. Trust the process. Here's one of the most important parts: letting go. Once you've set your intention, visualized it, and felt it, release the need to control every step of how it will come to you. This can be hard, but Neville Goddard and Dolores Cannon both teach the importance of detachment. When we obsess over the how or when our desires will show up, we create resistance. Trust that the universe, or the subconscious mind, will bring it to you in the best possible way, often in ways you can't predict. Practical tip. When doubt or impatience creeps in, remind yourself, it's already on its way. Stay calm, trust the process, and remain open to opportunities as they arise. Bonus tips. Practical hacks for manifesting. Let me leave you with a few extra hacks to supercharge your manifestation. 1. Gratitude journaling. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, as if they've already happened. This trains your mind to focus on abundance instead of lack. 2. Surround yourself with positive energy. Your environment affects your ability to manifest. Keep positive people around you, avoid negative self-talk, and declutter both mentally and physically. 3. Act as if. Start living your life as if your desire has already manifested. Neville Goddard encourages us to adopt the behaviors, mindset, and habits of the person who already has what we want. Conclusion. You are the creator of your reality. So, what do you desire? It's important to remember that manifestation is a journey, not a sprint. The techniques shared by Neville Goddard, Dolores Cannon, and other key manifestors are powerful tools that have worked for countless people. But the most important thing to remember is this: you are the creator of your reality. Start applying these methods today, stay consistent, and watch as your desires begin to take form in your life. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know what you're manifesting, because when you speak it out loud, you're already one step closer to making it happen. Thank you for watching, and remember, your desires are within reach. All you need is clarity, belief, and action.